back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I just worked on piping all day. First I went through and just went sideways on all these rows. Some of these had to get moved, like I said. Some of them were on the wrong row, so I had to take these strips down and then move them to their correct spot. So this one was probably like right here. Anyways, I got all those done, going across, and then I started going vertical. So there's a 3/4 pipe that was going like down here, so I took it back and turned it. This last one right here on the right side, I did a 90, and then I kicked it up over these 3 pipes and then back down. So I'll try to show you that here. So I had to kind of strap it retarded, but I kicked it up and then offset it back down, and then mounted a piece of thick strut just to screw onto it, just to get a strap in there because it was floating in the air. And then, like I said, I had to do these ones up and over, which were actually really not really easy, but they were easier than I thought. They were all going to be like this hard, but that was the only one that had the back-to-back 90, because it goes from small truss distances to bigger distances. So all these ones line up, but those ones don't. So these were a lot easier than yesterday, just doing one offset on there and there, and then I started going vertical. So over here, I just started piping from box to box, so between there, all the way over to here, and then back out again. So just did that all the way down, finished every single one of them down to the very end. One of them might need to get redone at the end. Kicks out a little bit. Any OGs out there remember this job site? This was all dirt, and got the stuff in there, high ceilings, pipe on the beams. Alright everyone, thanks for making it to the end of the video. I appreciate it. I appreciate the support every single day from each and every one of you. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Big update with the state of Washington and my job. They are now shutting us down for like 2 weeks until April 8th or 9th, so that's like a Wednesday or Thursday, I'm not sure, or something like that. So anyways, I'm gonna be not working for like a week and a half at least, so I'll try to keep making videos. I kind of want to make at least a couple of Corvette videos because I haven't done those in a really long time, and I have like 10 of them on backlog or whatever, so I got some really funny ones. But anyways, so if you got any video ideas, anything you want me to talk about, or any tools you want me to like review, I kind of want to go over one tool I got recently. But if there's any video you want to see or any questions, drop me a comment below so I can make you guys some content, because I'm not going to be having videos at the job site currently. So if you got anything in mind you want to see, it would help out the channel. And yeah, so otherwise I'll be doing lots of live streams and probably lots of gaming while I'm going to be home. So anyways, I appreciate the support, and we'll see what the channel brings with this downtime from work. And hopefully you guys are staying safe out there, and God bless, and I will see you shortly. Peace out.